Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. Today's video is another DIY here in beautiful Mammoth Lakes. I couldn't resist doing some DIYs here in Mammoth. I thought the change of scenery would be really nice. The project that I'm going to do for you today is DIY PINECONE fire starters. I'm doing this project because it makes for an amazing gift basket. And what else would I be using out here other than these authentic pine cones that Mammoth has? These pine cones are absolutely gorgeous and amazing, and they have got some of the biggest pine cones and most beautiful pine cones out here that I've ever seen. So I thought it'd be fun to do some DIY projects using these beautiful pine cones. For these DIY PINECONE fire starters, you can get everything you need for them at the Dollar Tree. I picked up 1 roll of this burlap ribbon, 2 of these glass candles, some wax melts, some scented oil. I'll also be using some twine, and from time to time you can find this bag of pine cones from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if these are seasonal or not, or go on a pine cone hunt. For this project, I'm going to be doing it outside. I'm using my electrical portable hot surface cooker that I usually use to cook our food when we're camping. I forgot my wax melter, and so I went to the local store. I picked up this 3-pack of round cake pans, and I kind of folded it and molded it into a bowl shape. I melted down one of the white unscented glass cylinder candles that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And once it was melted down enough, I went ahead and I poured it into the foil bowl that I made. To add color and scent to the white unscented candle, you can do it one of 3 ways. You can use Dollar Tree's square wax melts. I picked up this apple cinnamon and this vanilla. You can also use scented votives. And if the scent isn't strong enough using those, you can always add the fragrance oils. I'm going to be using the vanilla today. I'm going to add 4 of the scented wax melts to the white unscented candle that I've melted down here. And we're going to let that melt down. It doesn't look like there's as much wax in there as I would like there to be, so I'm going to add my 4 vanilla votives. My wax is good and melted. I've decided to add some of the vanilla fragrance oil to the wax just to make the scent a bit stronger. I'm going to take my twine and wrap it around the top of the pine cone. And this gives us a hoop to hold on to. Now taking my pine cones and holding them by the twine, I'm going to dip them in the wax. I'm going to set this pine cone aside and let it dry before I dip it again. And I thought it would be fun to dip some of the miniature pine cones as well. I'm going to take and start melting down another white unscented candle because I can tell that I'm going to need more wax. It's been about 15 minutes. My wax on the pine cone is dry. I'm now going to dip my pine cones for a second time. I've dipped all my pine cones 2 times. They're dry now. If you have some wax buildup here on the bottom, just go ahead and break it off and put it back into your wax. Now I'm going to take and dip the top 2 times with the twine. Now taking my metal tin and my thicker craft cord, I'm gonna make a handle for my tin. I've taken 2 pieces of the craft cord that are the same length. I've hot glued the end together and twisted it, and hot glued the other end to hold it so the twist doesn't unravel. Now taking the wire burlap ribbon that Story of My Life found at her Dollar Tree and said she immediately thought of me when she saw it, and she bought me 6 rolls of it and sent it to me. And no, I did not forget my twine. This project will have a twine bow on it. And these pine cone fire starters are now done. It is really just that simple. These pine cones with this wax on it will ignite so quickly, and it makes for the best smelling campfires you ever did have. Let's put it together and let me show you how stinking cute it looks when it's all put together. And if you don't want to gift these as a fire starter, you can use these as an ornament on your Christmas tree. I've also made a cute tag to add to this. And I think what I'm gonna do is just hang it from a pine cone. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this pine cone fire starter gift basket. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Google+. Those links are in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, have a fantastic day, because I know I am. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now from Mammoth Lakes.